Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Windows 7 driver IQR not less or equal NDIS.Sys below supreme error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After that it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this step, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, type a CHK DISK space slash F slash X slash R space C.com. After that, press enter. After that, type exit and exit the press enter. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, the second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open up command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a CHK DSK space slash F space slash X space slash R space C and third columns and press enter. After that, type a Y to yes and press enter. After that, type a exit, and after doing this step, restart your computer. When you restart your computer, the process will be started, and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. And after completing and restarting your computer, I'm sure that after your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open a device manager. After doing this step, select the disk driver, expand it, select the disk, right click, go to your properties, go to your policies, and after doing this step, make sure that the okay guys, after doing this step, uncheck the enable write caches on the device. So uncheck it and click on OK button and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if a problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your update and security, click on recovery. After doing this step, click on get started, select keep my files, select a cloud download, click on next to continue. After doing this step, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process, and after completing that, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.